Hi everyone, hope everyone's having a good day. This is an unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM3s. I got this as a Christmas gift, so I'm truly happy for this. So right now it's $168 in Amazon and everywhere else, I believe. And so that's pretty much it. The front of the box. And then it has Google Assistant, Alexa, has 6 hours of battery, and then 18 hours from the case, and it's noise cancelling. And it's the silver model. And it's from the back of the box, and from the top side. That's pretty much it. So you open it, just the earbuds themselves, and then they're lighter from what I was expecting. I thought they'd be like a bit heavier, so it's pretty nice. And then the case, USB-C, and then you get a bunch of ear tips, and then USB-C to USB-A cable, and then documentation. So you get like 360 reality audio free trial. That's pretty much it. So thank you for watching my unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM3s. Bye.